Fifi era tan recatada y tan...
She's a real chocoholic. It's a problem. Interesting. Sorry.
But I'm better now. Well, almost.
Tell me about it.
What are you doing?
You are.
Take the princess.
Ah, sheesh, right in my ear. Sorry, but I'm being kidnapped.
This has been a really nice evening. Hey, Susie?
Jones Meister.
Dang, kid.
Brown, Pam. That color is called champagne.
Profanity. Like I said. Sure, audience. Cinco. Excuse me.
Becky? And more elegant than ever.
But now that I'm on a team, I can go exploring with you guys. Oh shit, dude, what the fuck?